Hello and welcome back to our channel Axelbuzz testing. In this video, we are going to see REST request handling in SoapUI. So we will be seeing what is REST, how to handle REST in SoapUI. REST is representational transfer protocol and its format is base URL resource and query parameters. So here is one sample URL I have. See here. Google.com is our base URL, search is our resource, and queue after queue whatever is there, that is our query parameters. Here are some HTTP requests which commonly used in REST: get, put, post, and delete. Get means retrieve the data, post means create the data, put means update the data, and delete means delete the data. Let's see how to handle all these REST requests in SoapUI tool. For what is API testing, please check the link in description box. Back to again. So today we are going to learn REST request, how to handle REST request in SoapUI. So let's see, this is your SoapUI window. Let's create one REST project. Okay, this is some sample URL I have, reqres.in. You can go here, Google it, you'll get sample APIs. So okay, this is our project is created. See, this is request 1. This is having query parameter, AI resource, parameters, everything. More request of post. So here post request, copy it, create new resource, paste it, now change it to post, and here you have to put these parameters. Okay, so let's run, see what the results. So like this you can create all the requests from here. Did, delete, post, get. There are so many sample requests that you can create from here. That will help us to create a test suite. List. This is our create request. Create user, that is list of users. So let's create the test suite. Generate the test suite. Sorry, new test suite from REST project. This is our you can rename it. Okay, So here now new test case. First we'll see the uh, create test case. Create. You can add test tips. Here you have to add REST request. We'll say REST request only. We have two REST requests. We are creating for create, so we'll add create here. See, this is our REST request. If we run it, this, so we'll add assertions here. By this plus sign you can add assertions. There are so many assertions. If you want to see more about assertion, you can check my previous video of soap request. These all assertions you can add all types of test cases. For time being, we'll add create property contents assertion. Will contains simple I'm taking. If it see this got failed. Like this you can try all the requests with all the assertions in this SoapUI tool. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And in next video I'm going to tell you about how to handle Postman tool and how to do API testing in Postman. So stay tuned and bye bye.